Don't forget.
Hi, this is Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be talking about notary certificates. Now, what is a notary certificate? A notary certificate is a written statement signed and sealed by the notary public that certifies the facts of a notarial act. So it records what act was performed, who was involved, and the venue, when and where it happened. With Blue Notary, you can get a notary certificate bundle that you can use with different types of documents. So, how do we get our notary certificate bundle with Blue Notary? Well, here in our Manage tab, we can go to Notary Certificates. And here we can download our notary certificates for professional use. So for me, it's here in New York, and I only have to pay $5 one time. So what I'm going to do is click here, and I can add other things to my purchase if I'd like, but I'm going to continue without the bundle. So now I have to enter my card information to purchase my notary certificates. And now I'm going to pay for my notary certificate bundle. And now I purchase my notary certificates, and I can download each one of them right here. In addition to being able to download each one of my notary certificates, I can also find them here in my Manage tab under Notary Certificates. And here they all are for use and for download whenever I need them. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the
Don't forget.
next one.